As for the conditions for Hajj al-Tamattuʿ, number 1, intention. You must firmly intend to perform Hajj al-Tamattuʿ for the sake of Allah. If a different type of pilgrimage is intended, or if there is uncertainty in one's intention, the validity of the Hajj al-Tamattuʿ becomes invalid. 2. Succession. Both Umrah and Hajj must be performed during the designated Hajj season. Umrah al-Tamattuʿ must occur in the months of Shawwal, Dhul Qa'dah and Dhul Hijjah. If any part of the Umrah is performed before Shawwal, the Umrah becomes invalid for Hajj al-Tamattuʿ. As for Hajj al-Tamattuʿ, it occurs in Dhul Hijjah. 3. Same year requirement. The Umrah and Hajj must be performed within the same year. If the Umrah is completed but the Hajj is postponed to the following year, the Hajj al-Tamattuʿ becomes invalid. As previously mentioned, a person intending to perform Hajj al-Tamattuʿ must first complete Umrah al-Tamattuʿ. Umrah al-Tamattuʿ consists of 5 actions. Number 1, Ihram. Entering the state of Ihram from the miqāt. 2. Tawaf. Going around the Kaaba 7 times. 3. Salat at-Tawaf. Offering 2 rak'ahs of prayer behind Maqam Ibrahim. 4. Sa'i. Walking 7 times between Safa and Marwah. 5. Taqsir. Cutting a portion of hair from the head, beard or moustache. Upon completing these 5 acts, one exits the state of Ihram, allowing most previously forbidden actions during Ihram to become permissible once again. Let's explain these in more detail one by one. As for the Ihram, Muslims who do not live near Mecca must enter the state of Ihram at one of the 5 specified miqāt locations before heading to the Kaaba. The 5 miqāt locations are Masjid al-Shajara. Pilgrims coming from Medina put on their Ihram here. Al-Juhfa, located between Mecca and Medina. Wadi al-Aqiq. Qarn al-Manazil. Yalamlam. This miqāt is located south of Mecca and serves pilgrims traveling from that direction. Before putting on the Ihram, there are some recommended acts, such as clipping nails, trimming moustache, growing the hair on the head and beard before shaving them during Hajj, performing ghusl at the miqāt before putting on the Ihram clothes, and wearing the Ihram after Dhuhr prayers. There are 3 key obligations that make the Ihram valid. Number 1, clothing. Men must remove their day-to-day clothing and wear 2 unstitched garments. One of the garments must be wrapped around the waist, covering from the navel to the knees. The second garment should cover both the shoulders, arms, and a considerable part of the back. The garments must not be made of pure silk, gold, or any material derived from animals. The garments should also be tahir, ritually pure. It is preferred that the ihram be of white color. Women do not share the same restriction as men regarding stitched clothing in the state of ihram. They are permitted to wear normal, modest clothing, with the exception of pure silk. It is also preferred that women wear a white ihram. Number 2, intention. The intention must be for seeking closeness to Allah. It is not necessary for the intention to be uttered loudly. Number 3, Talbiyah. Every pilgrim must recite these phrases of the Talbiyah correctly. The Ihram is not complete without the Talbiyah. The most common phrases recited for the Talbiyah are as follows. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk. La sharika laka labbaik. As soon as the Talbiyah has been recited, the pilgrim is now called a muhrim until the Umrah is over. Being a muhrim comes with certain restrictions, as there are specific actions and things that become forbidden while in this sacred state. They are hunting, engaging in marriage contracts, lying, cutting nails, boasting or swearing, applying oil to the body, extracting teeth, carrying weapons, using perfumes, applying kuḥl, eye cosmetic, for both men and women, removing hair from the body, removing blood from the body, such as through cupping or blood donation, killing insects that live on the human body, like lice, self-beautification, sexual activities including intercourse, touching, kissing, or looking at others with lust, engaging in disputes or quarrels, looking in the mirror for the purpose of beautification. For women, covering the face with a veil or wearing gloves. For men, wearing shoes or socks that cover the entire foot, covering the head or immersing it in water, wearing sewn clothes, staying under artificial shade, for example umbrellas, the roof of a vehicle. Natural shade, like that of trees or clouds, is permissible. If any of these prohibitions are acted upon, there are specific kaffārahs, atonements, attached, such as sacrificing a camel, cow, or sheep, paying a penalty, or fasting.